guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Azhane, and in today's video I'm giving you guys a haul. Y'all, I was not expecting it to turn like this. I did not mean to do big rosy cheeks to go with this pink hair, but she's a vibe, isn't she? So cute. This is my mega look hair. I've had this wig for a minute. It's not sponsored, but if you want details, go check out my back to school vlog. But today is a haul, so let's jump into this company. I'm super excited. Today is a clothing haul by the company Sampeel. This is how you say it. It's Sampeel. You can't even see it. There we go. Alright, I got a wide variety of stuff, so let's just try them on and just see how they fit me. Everything in this haul should be a size small. If it's not, it's be extra small, and I'll let you guys know when I try them on. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at this color. I'm gonna back the camera up a little bit. It gets a little bit thin here, so it could cinch in your waist and then it flares out. I didn't button up the sleeves. You can button the sleeves up. I just didn't do it. It buttons all the way down. It's super pretty, and these buttons can actually be hidden. This is really cute, and I can definitely see me like styling this for like brunch. This is a perfect springtime dress. This color, I am pleased. The material on this is really good, and I'm happy this is the first item. It definitely starts this haul off really strong. Like, this is really cute, really comfortable, and I think it's super pretty. This is nice. All right, let's move on to the next piece, but this is a size small. The color is beautiful. It's a great material, and I'm happy to have this in my collection. Y'all know I'm getting a little older, so I just feel like this haul is definitely going to mature my wardrobe. Okay guys, so the quality on this dress is nice. This is a velvet green. I think on camera it looks kind of blue, but in reality this is like a dark emerald green. It's velour everywhere. It fits me really nice, really pretty. It zips up in the back, and it has a ruching detail to make your butt pop, and it also has this cute little sliced detail that also brings attention to your figure, and this is really nice. I do like it. It's a really soft material. I definitely do like this dress. We are 2 for 2 right now with this company, because I am definitely feeling this. I don't know about y'all, but I'm definitely enjoying everything so far. We're 2 for 2 right now, so I don't want to stop this train. Let's move on to the next one. But this is so nice. Yeah, I can definitely see myself going to like a cocktail party with this dress on. This is nice. Oh my god, I love this. Now I need to go somewhere, because these are really cute. Like, let's see, because I like. Okay guys, so this is the next dress. It's supposed to be kind of like of an asymmetrical top, and then like this long train that you can wear like in the front or in the back. But I don't know, the fit is just not there for me. I would have to constantly keep pulling it down to get that like tight fit, but when I walk it definitely will rise up. I think that this is really pretty. I love the material. It looks very like grown up. Still trying to get like the terms right when it comes to like clothing like this, because I normally wear clothes like this, but this is hot. Like, I feel hot. This is so nice, and like you see the back is like droopy, but you have to be careful with like your side boob and everything. So I'll definitely have to get the proper garments for this outfit, but this is really pretty. I enjoy this deep purple color. I just wish that it was a little bit tighter fitted. The lining on this skirt is also kind of asymmetrical. Alright y'all, so let's just go ahead and move on to the next item. This is the last. This is a set. The other items will be tops. I'm definitely a fan of this. I think that it fits really nicely. The material is pretty chill. It's not like the best material, but it is material. It's not itchy at all. I think it's super cute, but who would have thought that I would have wanted a zebra print set. But it would be definitely good to, like, you know, pair with like my business stuff. And then the skirt is super fun. I can mix and match the skirt with this matching set, or I can just wear the skirt alone. But this is super cute. That's why I love sets, because you can mix and match. And as you guys saw, you can also tie it up to make it look more fun. So what I tried to do to make it look more casual, so like with the pink dress, like going to brunch and whatnot, I just think it'll be really cute, and I'm excited to wear this. So yeah, the other items I have are just tops, so we're gonna get into that. Based off first impressions, they do look like they're gonna be a little bit big, but we're just gonna see. Okay guys, so this is the next top. I'm not sure if I'm wearing it backwards or not. I haven't looked on the website to verify, but it's really stretchy. It fits perfectly, and the back has this like ruching. I don't know if the ruching is meant to be in the front or not, but this is how I'm deciding to wear it. I think it's super cute, and I'll probably just pair it with like I'm gonna see how it looks with this black skirt. All right, so this is just is paired with the plain black skirt that I got like off of a fast fashion site. But this is really cute. It's very comfortable, very stretchy. I don't feel like I'm gonna rip anything while wearing this. It's just cute. Nothing really much to say. Like, it's just a nice mesh top, and y'all don't have many mesh tops. I'm trying to get into that trend. If I'm late, it doesn't matter. Fashion is fashion, and you wear it when you want to wear it, how you want to wear it. This is the last top. Now, it does not fit my arms. I'm so upset about it not fitting my arms, because this top is really pretty. But as you can see, the details are nice. The material on this shirt is beautiful. I love the material on this shirt. Really nice. But it just does not fit my arms. So, I mean, my arms really aren't that big. Like, I've been working on a little bit, but definitely size up if your arms are bigger than mine, I guess. And it could be a combination with my chest too, because my chest isn't big, but I guess they're bigger than like people with flat chested, clearly. But this is this top. Alright, so that is everything in today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you know what to do, leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos of me. Follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I'll add your pink pillow. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Comment down below what you want to see next. Comment down below what your favorite item was. And yeah, love you guys. Peace.